This is the Star Wars The Last Jedi Resistance Ski Speeder with unique Captain Poe Dameron action figure. We're going to unbox this, and it's really cool. I think they use this ship in the movie. They use it on the Red Planet, the one with the red dust, and I think they're going to battle the Guerrilla Walkers. So it looks to be a very promising battle scene in the film. But this thing looks really cool. Okay, we're gonna cut the tape here. Let me close the army knife to be safe. And here we go. Open it up here. And we will slide it out. Let me turn it over. Cool, 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 cool. That's what it looks like out of the package. Wow, amazing paint. Cool cockpit, I can see already. Here are the directions. And the Poe Dameron part is empty. So we'll go back into the box and slide it out. Whoa! And here is one of the best parts of this, the custom Poe Dameron action figure. Okay, so let's start by taking him out. Very carefully. The best likeness of, I wish I could remember that actor's name, and he comes with his radio headset. And his weapon, which actually fits in his holster. Really, really cool. Amazing likeness of the actor. I mean, I don't know if he has one, but if he has one, this is the one he should have. Okay, well, here are the directions. On the back of the directions, it talks about the Force Link, which kind of reminds me of a feature they kind of had when they released Episode 1, the Phantom Menace figures, which I don't think went over very well. But we're going to unpack this Resistance Ski Speeder, and it actually looks like a really cool new spaceship addition to the Star Wars universe. Or, not spaceship, land ship. Okay, let's see. Here we go. We have this. Here we have two missiles, which don't come out. We have another piece in here, which I gotta, oh, this looks like the landing gear. Okay. Which doesn't want to come out. Let me open it up. Okay, we have this piece here. Okay, these are all the parts of the ship out of the package. Okay, after some studying of the diagnostic instructions here, we're ready for assembly. And if I'm reading this right, the wing should just, the first wing should just pop right into here. Oops. There you go, I heard the little snap. Then we have, this is that part that drags in the red sand and throws it up that we all saw in the trailer. And that goes a little back like this. Okay, it's got a little trigger on it. Next, we'll load in our two missiles. Very cool. Now, this comes back up in order for the ship to land. It also has 2 landing gears here. Pull those down. Put the ship down. Very cool. We'll put Poe Dameron inside. Okay, we're going to place Poe Dameron in the cockpit. And much like Batman, Poe Dameron has a seatbelt, not to go flying out of his resistance ski speeder. So we'll place Poe in there carefully and place his seatbelt. Has a little locking device down there. And there you go. What do you think? Cool? Mm-hmm. Well, here it is. Poe Dameron and his resistance ski speeder. The landing gear go up. He flies it. Hits the sand. He has 2 missiles to launch. Sorry to my cameraman, but I just hit in the stomach. And there it is. Once again, very nice. Poe Dameron and his resistance ski speeder. If you like this video, let me know. I'll make more.